I have a leftover wooden Easter egg. I did pick it up at Michael's. It was $14.99 originally. I do believe I got mine for 50% off. My egg is quite large. I'm going to start by painting every other panel with goldenrod. But I feel like you could do whatever, I feel like you could copy this on any size egg. And then just downsize on some of the items. The rest of the panels I'm going to paint black. So my first train of thought was I was going to make a bee. And as I got going, I kind of changed direction. The base I also painted black. This is a freestanding egg that I had picked up. So I'm going to go ahead and cover mine with a top coat. I'm using varnish. You could use the 1-hour enamel clear or whatever top coat you have on hand. Once that was completely dry, I have this mesh tube that I pick up at the Dollar Tree. You could use jute, maybe a larger cord of the jute, almost like a rope size, probably for this size egg. But if you have a smaller size egg, jute should do exactly what I'm going to do. So I started using some hot glue and layering this mesh tube midway and then all the way up the egg, and just repeated this layering of this mesh tube. You can find these finger protectors at the Dollar Tree. Then I just trimmed the edge all the way around. And now I'm taking some mesh tube and I'm spinning it in a flat circle. And then I'm going to glue it in the center of my egg. Once done, I'm going to paint my my flat circle with black by Wise Owl. And now I'm going to take some snow owl and I'm going to start creating a beard. I'm just freehanding, just having fun with it, and just kind of doing wisps all around the shape of my beard, and then starting to fill in the center. Now I'm going to go in with a little Republic Red and create a nose. My snow owl, the white is still wet. So the red mixed with the snow owl is going to create a more pinkish tone. I'm going to go in with some gray. This may be graphite. I can't really remember which color it is, but just a gray tone that can kind of give your beard some structure. And then I went in with some white just to soften that. Now I have these bees. It was like a spray of bees. I'm sorry. I can't remember where I picked this up. But today you can find bees everywhere. They're very popular. So just find yourself some bees that fit the size of whatever egg you used. And then I just glued it to the top of this hive hat. There you go. Now you have this cute gnome porch bee gnome. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.